right now till the end of January, you get a 20% discount using the code OSR20. I'd like to thank Yuri K for providing us this discount that I can give to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the products.
Hey, welcome to OSR Garage. Today we are going to show you how to properly charge your electric vehicle on the Electrify America chargers.
So I made these charging videos earlier, and what I've just found out was that with the over-the-air update in the spring, we are supposed to be getting a bump in charging speed. So we should be going up from 125 up to 135, I believe is what I heard. The other thing is it's going to be a plug and charge. So when we get that update, you'll just be able to plug in and it'll start charging just like the Mustang Mach-E's do. It will just link to your account and then it'll pay through that way without having to use the app, which those of us with the Volkswagen ID4 know that we get 3 years free charging, but it will link directly to the app. So that is a huge plus for us. This video will show you how to use the Electrify America app. It's the best way that I have found to use it. And I added on another video after that, which was at Christmas time. I was going to record another video of the charging. And what we found out was over Christmas, they gave everybody free charging through Electrify America. So that was pretty awesome. And I went ahead and added that video in because I believe there's a Porsche Taycan there when I went to go charge. Thought maybe you guys might want to see that. Did any of the gas stations give out free gas? Nope, we got free electric though. Enjoy the video.
Okay guys, we are at the Electrify America station in Effingham, Illinois, and we are getting ready to connect, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So before we get started outside, we're going to pull up the Electrify America app, and it'll bring up the map and show you where we are at right here. So we will click on that. So then that is going to give you your charging stations. So you'll have to choose from 1, 2, 3, or 4, and it looks like 4 is not being used right now. So we're going to be using I think it's number 3, but we'll check on that when we get outside, and then we'll activate those that way. So as you can see, it says to go ahead and plug in first. And so we're going to do that right now. And just sure it locks in. You can see the lights up. And then, since we are now logged in, we can look up at the top of the thing and it says 03, the last 2 digits. That's the charger we're on. We're going to click that on our phone, and then we're going to hit swipe to charge. We'll initiate charging. So as you can see, we got initiate charging on our phone. It's also initiating charging here. Okay, it says welcome Felicia, that's my wife. 0 charge. Hit continue once. Make sure you don't double hit that. It's also a stop button, and as you can see, it's starting to charge. See it ramping up. We're at 55%, so we're not going to get the full charging speed out of this. This is normal. Usually your faster speeds are between 5% and 35% on the Volkswagen ID4. And some other ones may go from 5% on up to 60 or 80%, but this is typical for the ID4. So now when you're done charging, all you have to do is press the stop button right here. That will stop your charge, and then you can unplug it, and that is how you use the Electrify America chargers. Sometimes they're a little easy, sometimes they're not, but that is basically how you do it.
Hey guys, so today we're going to go ahead and show you how to charge on the Electrify America chargers. We have 3 years free with our ID4, So I'm going to show you that process now. The first thing you want to do is open your Electrify America app. It'll bring it up and show you where you are at with the little blue dot. This is the charging system we're at. Target in Woodridge, Illinois. We're going to slide down through here. We're going to look, and we are going to be on charger number 3. So we can go ahead and select that. Now we're going to go over here, and like I said, we've got this already opened up on our phone, and we're going to come over here to the charging session. And as you can see, this session is on Electrify America, so I'm actually not going to have to go through the entire process. But you can see what it's going to do is it's going to have us plug in first. So we're going to do that now. Take this off. With the ID4s, you can clip this right up top here. Then you're going to go over and grab the charger on the side. You're going to take it. You're going to plug it in. And then it's going to start flashing white. It means it's communicating with the charger. So you can see here, it says it's connecting to the charger. Now normally, in this situation, it popped up that small little screen that we just saw. In that process, then is when you would just swipe this to charge. And then it would start this, and you would have this same thing, initiating charging, showing on your phone also. But today, the being Christmas, they are giving us free charging. So that is awesome. And you hit continue, and it's going to start charging. You can see we showed up here at an 8% battery charge left. So right now you can see this is also ramping up. We're at 57, 65, that 86, got up to 86, and then it slowed down to 83. Sounds like it's still ramping up. Still hear it. You can see here at the Target in Woodridge, Illinois. Pretty nice. It's Christmas Day, so of course it's abandoned other than a few cars over here charging. Looks like we've got a Nissan Leaf charging, and we have a Porsche Taycan here charging next to us. Really nice gunmetal color. I like that color. Guess, you know, kind of Ford would call it like a lead foot, but very nice car. Let's see if we're charging any faster. It's like we're settling in about 83, 84. Kind of what should have gotten up to 125 or so. So sometimes what'll happen is we can try a different charger. And we might do that after the Porsche leaves. We might unhook and try using their charger to see if we can get a better speed out of it. Well, it looks like we're not going to hit any higher than about 94, 95. Alright, so you can see we just hit 90%, which is what we wanted to get to, because we've got a drive home. It's got to get us over to the next charging station. So just so you just saw that the stop button just went off. It's already stopped itself. It's already unlocked the cord. All we got to do is unhook it. So as you can see here, we got to a 90% charge. Took about 42 minutes total. There's no charge today. Being Christmas, they're giving us free charging. Total energy of 47 kilowatts. So all we got to do is just unplug. Just got to unplug here. Back in the charging slot. Just going to show you everything we need. Would have been $20 if we didn't get free charging. And that's it. Hit the finish button. All done. Ready for the next person. Okay guys, that's all I wanted to show you and how to use the charging stations. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, click subscribe, hit the like button so some other people can see this video. It might help them out also. And turn on your bell notifications so you can see more of the videos on the ID4. Thank you, and I will see you later.